There are so many, Akhi. I'm not well acquainted with all of them or any of them to the extent that I can endorse it publicly like this, but you have to go and check whether it fits the criteria, whether it does not post pictures of women or not, whether it does not give the direct number of the woman to the man interested, because that would be a dating app, not a halal matrimonial website. If this or these restrictions are not there, then inshallah it should be fine. This is a medical issue, and Allah Azza wa Jal had never told us not to seek healing, curing, or a better standard of living. So if these supplements are required in our daily diet, simply because we're not eating healthy, if the doctors say you do need magnesium because this and this is deficient in your system, you do need zinc to give you more energy, you do need this and that, so it's for your insulin sensitivity and the likes, but it has to be medically proven. There is nothing that goes against Tawheed or Tawakkul on Allah Azza wa Jal. We take honey when we have infections, when we have a sore throat, or we have burns on our bodies, we use honey. We take the black seed whenever we want our immune system to be stronger and the likes. All of this is part of our aqeedah, because these are means that Allah had placed in our hands, subhanahu wa ta'ala, to get a better standard of living, and Allah knows.